This is Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. Just want to take a second and tell you about this 2013 28 Sundancer that we have listed. The boat is equipped with a 350 mag, 300 horsepower Bravo 3 drive. The engine has only 60 hours on it. The boat is in great shape with new camper canvas. And I'll take a second to show you about the interior. So it's equipped with the Cockpit Grill and a sink, also the refrigerator, the back-to-back seat. The boat has a Garmin 741XS GPS, remote control spotlight. Make our way down into the cabin. The light interior with a table that drops down to make a berth. A full skylight with the manway. Also a Kenyan alcohol stove and electric burner. The Norcold refrigerator. The microwave. This boat does have air conditioning and heat, and nearly every option that you could order on the boat at the time. Has the TV and the DVD player. The mid-berth area, and then the head with the pull-up shower. The boat has captain's class warranty with generator protection through 4/2020, and it's a great boat. And give us a call if you have any questions. MarineMax Savannah, thank you very much.